Hello, good day, guys, and welcome again. I really missed you, like seriously though. So, just a quick recap. Our last tutorial was about HTML tags. So, if you can go here, last time we did these tags. Basically, I was telling you in details what each tag is about, and there are some other tags that I didn't find time to mention. It's a table tag and also an href tag used for linking pages, and img, which is a self-closing tag, and a formal name. It's void element. They call them void element. And also we have a video tag. So as I promised on my last tutorial, I said the next one will be about elements. So to cut the long story short, an HTML element is actually the content inside an HTML tag. So I have this PDF over here. If we can just have a look on it, we have a tag. I did make an example of a paragraph tag, and the content is actually the HTML element. It is the one inside a tag that has a closing tag. As I did describe on our previous video, some tags are self-closing tag, which is they are also known as void elements. Yes, so to be formal, you should call them void elements, but usually I like the word self-closing tag because you can tell that it opens here and also it closes itself with the forward slash. Unlike this one, they open and then they will close this side. So yeah, I'm open tags and self-closing tags. And if you can just look at this example here, HTML tag versus elements, they pretty much describe what I was saying. And we have nested HTML elements. So basically a nested HTML element is okay, let me just remove this thing. I haven't really got to this stage, so I will remove this thing. So basically a nested HTML element means that we have a tag here which is a body, right? Oh, let me just increase the size in case you don't see well. Let me just increase the size. Now I hope you see. So a nested element, let me just say elements. Today we are talking about elements, even though this video is going to be short, but basically a nested element is when you have a body here. Since you can tell that body is an opening tag, it opens here and it closes this side, right? So because we have another tags inside this one, hence the div is a nested element of the body, same as h1 is a nested element of the div, same as the u for underline, it's a nested element for h1. So basically that is what you need to know for today, that an element is the content inside HTML tags, and we also have nested elements. So I don't wanna make this video long because there is nothing really much to say about HTML elements. They basically talk about nested, and they are making examples of italic. So italic is the same as It's a tag that I didn't mention. It's an opening tag also. So italic is just it makes the text to skew a little bit. Yeah, italic envelope. So basically, guys, there's nothing much to say about elements, but then I thought maybe you should know them. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I don't want to make this video long, guys, since there's really nothing interesting about my elements. And the next video we will be focusing on specifically on this tag, the table tag. So we will be talking about tables. I will just make it now since this one was very short. And guys, I would really appreciate if you can leave a comment because I'm gonna improve my videos. It's either editing, sound, or whatsoever. My comments are helpful. So if you have time, you have data, please leave a comment, and probably, and I promise I will have a look. There's a and the look show in the comment. So guys, I hope you did learn something, and thanks for your time. Bye bye.